morning, all of you. Good morning, my lovely children. Are you interested?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now sing with me, huh?
Yes, teacher. Teacher.
Morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Morning.
Say loudly.
Good
Good
morning.
morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Hello,
Good
and
morning.
how are you?
Hello. How are you? How are you?
In
How
the
are you?
morning.
Good morning. Good
I say
morning.
good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, and how are you?
Hello. And how are you?
In the morning,
In
I
the
clap
morning.
my hands.
Clap your hands. I
In
clap.
the morning, I do my dance.
Good morning. I do my dance.
I say hooray.
I say hooray. I
This
say
is going to be a wonderful day. Good morning. Say all of you. Good
morning.
morning.
Good morning.
Hello, and how are you?
Hello, and how are
Morning.
you?
I
Good
say good
morning.
morning.
Good
Hello,
morning.
and how are you?
Hello, and how are you?
In the morning,
In
I
the
clap
morning,
my hands. In the
clap my hands.
morning, I
In
do
the
my dance.
morning. In the morning, I do my
In
dance.
the morning, I say hooray.
I say hooray.
This is going to be a wonderful day. Good morning. Good morning. Hello, and how are you?
Hello, and how are you?
Are you enjoying the song?
Yes, teacher.
Yes? Okay. Now we start. Okay. So tell me, what is this?
Sir, teddy bear.
No.
Teddy bear.
What is this?
Sir,
See, this is a
money.
money.
Piggy bank.
Huh?
Piggy bank. Piggy
Yes.
bank.
Yes, this is a piggy bank. Okay. You have the piggy bank in your home? You
Yes,
have?
teacher.
Yes?
Yes. Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. So, what do you have to do with this piggy bank?
Money. Money. Into the money.
Yes, you have to put the money in the piggy bank. Yes, and you collected this money. Yes, when the piggy bank is full of the money, you can open this piggy bank, and the collected money, the saving money, you can buy anything that you want, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Like this. Do you know the bank? Do you know the bank?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Can anyone
Yes,
tell me the
teacher.
name of this bank? The name of the some bank?
I IDFC Bank.
Say loudly.
Indian Bank.
Indian Bank. Very good.
Yes, teacher. You have to be empty bank.
And
ICICI Bank.
ICICI Bank and Maharashtra Bank, Bank of Maharashtra, State Bank,
India Bank.
Indian Bank, yes, Axis Bank, है ना, HDFC, IDBI. Yes. There are so many banks are there in our surrounding, right? So the process, the bank, what is the meaning of bank? What functions are there in the bank? The bank is saving our money. The same like a piggy bank. Okay. The bank is a functioning same like a piggy bank. Bank is a government organization which you have to deposit your money. Okay. You have to deposit your money and the bank is collected your saving your money. There are many functions are going on in the bank. Are you visited the bank? Are you visited the bank? Yes. What you have to what you saw in the inside the bank? What you saw inside the bank? When you have to visit, huh? Counters. Yes, very good. There are many counters. है ना? There are many counters. Yes. I'm sharing something. So, see, this is the bank. Okay. You saw many counters inside the bank, right? Like this. Yes. Yes. See, the many peoples are come in the bank for the many type of functioning. Some people are come to deposit the money. Some people are come for withdraw the money. Some people are come for the for making FDs. Some people are come for inquiries. है ना? Like this. See, this is a cashier counter, and these are the inquiry counters are there. See, these are the inquiry counter. Many facility, the inquiry of their inquiry, many facilities over there. Bank are providing a many facility like FD, fixed deposit, saving deposit, recurring deposit, like this. So they are inquired here, and the people are come here. This is the cashier counter. People are come in this counter for deposit the money and withdraw the money. Okay, understood?
Yes, teacher.
See, bank is providing a many facility like, beta, this in the first picture, this is the locker facility. Bank is providing a locker. In this locker, you have to lock your money. You have to lock your gold jewelry, like this. In this second picture, this is the inquiry counter, and the third one is the ATM, है ना? ATM box. This is the ATM box. So the bank is providing a many facility for the people. See, these are the slips. This is a deposit slip. If you are going to bank, you then for a deposit the money, that time you fill this slip. This is called a deposit slip, and you deposit the money. This will fill this slip, you have to fill, and with this slip you will going to the cashier counter and give this slip to the cashier and money to the cashier. So the cashier will deposit your money. Okay. So this is a deposit slip. This is a withdrawal slip. You have to withdraw a money with the help of this slip. Okay, this is a withdrawal slip. See the name of bank, Bank of Baroda, है ना? This is a passbook. This is a check. Okay, this is the picture of check. This is a checkbook. A booklet of check is called a checkbook. This is a single check, is there? This is a single check, but the bunch of a check and the book of check is called as a checkbook. A booklet of check is called as a checkbook. So this is a checkbook. This is a debit card or ATM card. You will withdraw the money with the help of this debit card or ATM card. There is no need, if you have this debit card, there is no need to going to bank for withdrawal the money. Okay. This is a credit card. One of the most important facility bank is given to you, credit card facility. Okay. So these facility bank is providing us. Which facilities? See, ATM facility, locker facility. You will deposit the money of in the bank with the help of this slip. You have to withdraw this money with the help of this slip. है ना? This is a passbook. The history of transaction. You will saw the history of transaction in the passbook. The check. You can transfer the money one person to another person with the help of check. This is a checkbook, the booklet of check. This is a debit card, ATM card. When you have to purchase a good or purchase anything, there is no need to give a money. Today is our logo. What is the digital India? है ना? Cashless India. So with the help of this debit card, you have to transaction in any areas. Okay. This is a credit card. With the help of this credit card also, you have to purchase a good. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Facilities. Bank is providing a many facilities. Now we show a real passbook. Okay. See, this is a real passbook. See, what is this? The history of transaction is there. Okay. When you have to withdraw the money, when anything is deposit the money in your account, when you have to deposit money in your account, all the things are there in this passbook. Okay. All the history of transaction, in which date, in which time you have to withdraw the money, in which date, in which time you have to deposit the money. If anyone with the help of check, they have to deposit the money in your bank account. So all the things are there in the passbook. Okay. So the history of transaction are there in the passbook. It is a function of passbook. Okay. See, this is the passbook. Are you able to see this? Yes?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. A passbook. Now, with the help of these slips, see, these are the slips. है ना? With the help of these slips, you have to deposit a money in your account. These are the slips. With the help of this slip, you have to withdraw the money in your account. So, these are the slips. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, teacher.
Now, this is a checkbook. See. And this is a check. This is a one check, single check. And the booklet of check is called a checkbook. Understood?
Yes, teacher.
What is the function of checkbook? You have to transfer a money to the another person with the help of this checkbook directly into the account. Okay. From your account to another's account with the help of this checkbook, you have to transfer a money from your account to the another person's account. So the checkbook with the help of checkbook. Okay, this is the function of checkbook. See, this is the ATM card. Okay, with this ATM card, you have to transaction in everywhere. Okay, there is no need of the cash. And if you want a money, so you can withdraw the amount in the ATM card with the help of this debit card. Okay, so debit card is a useful for withdrawing the withdrawal the money, for purchasing a good, purchasing a online a good in online. So in this all the functions are going on with the help of this debit card. So debit card currently a debit card and this is a credit card, the same function. But you can't withdraw the money with the help of this credit card. You have to only online, you are only going to the online transaction with the credit card. So similar, there are similar functions of the debit card and credit card. Okay, the debit card is a useful for a withdrawal the money in the ATM. A debit card is important for a online transaction. With the help of the debit card, you have to purchase a goods. So these are the facility bank is providing us. Okay. So can anyone repeat which facilities we saw and which thing we saw?
ATM card,
Yes.
passbook, check,
Passbook. Yes. I will show you the passbook. And
debit card,
yes. And I will show you checkbook also. है ना?
money,
Yes.
checkbook,
I show you a passbook. It will help to understand the history of transaction. Then secondly, a slips. है ना? Two types of slips. One is a deposit slip are there in the bank. When you are going to the bank, that time you will see this type of slips. First one is a deposit slip and the second is withdrawal slip. Okay. Then third one, check. है ना? A booklet of check, a checkbook. The booklet of check is called a checkbook. It will help to transfer a money from your account to the another person's account. है ना? With the help of check, you can easily transfer your money from account to account. Then a rectangular card. है ना?
Passbook.
Passbook, yes. What is the function of passbook?
demand of passbook,
What is the function of passbook? What is a or typed inside, printed inside, inside the parcel? Which
Money. Money. Shopping.
money? Yes, a transaction of money, a transaction,
Shopping.
a transaction history are printed inside the passbook, right? What is the function of ATM card? Function of ATM card.
Money.
What is the function of ATM card?
Cash.
To
Cash.
money.
Withdraw the cash, है ना?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. You use this ATM card for withdrawal the cash. How? How can you use this ATM card? You're going to the ATM center, insert the card, है ना? Insert the card, then enter your PIN number, enter the amount what you have to withdraw, है ना? And then
Machine.
yes, with the help of machine, you receive the money, है ना? Then
Yes,
you
teacher.
take the money and go outside the ATM card. Yes, am I right?
Yes, teacher.
This is the procedure. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
You go to the ATM card, insert the card in the machine.
Yes, teacher.
You have to enter a PIN number, or you have to enter the amount. Then the machine is, with the help of machine, you have to receive the amount,
Money.
collect the amount, and you have
Correct
to,
amount money.
yes, collect the money or collect the amount, and you have to go outside, right? Right?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. These facilities are bank provided us. Which type of facilities?
ATM card. Passbook. Checkbook.
Yes, ATM card, passbook, checkbook, locker system, है ना?
System.
Yes. Their bank is also providing us a loan. They are also providing us a loan, है ना? Personal loan, housing loan. These are the type of loan. They are providing a loan. They're providing a fund to the people when the people are need the fund or need the money, है ना? And so when you are going to the when you are visiting or when you are going to the bank, you saw a many counter inside the bank, right?
Right, teacher.
Yes. So there are a many counter inside the bank. There's
Yes.
counter are for the inquiry of a loan. Some
ATM.
Cashier. ATM.
counter are, they are providing inquiry. They're providing us a loan for the inquiry of loan. Some counter are for the inquiry of loan. Some counter are inquiring for many facilities like ATM, uh, internet banking, mobile banking, है ना? So when you have to go into bank, so you have to saw a many counters. They are providing us a various and a different facilities. Okay. Then you saw a cashier counter. The people come with a deposit slip and come with a withdrawal slip in this counter, a cashier counter, and the cashier will do a two type of work. a cashier deposit a money also, and when any person give them a, withdrawal slip, that time a cashier is give them a
Few
money,
money.
yes, to the person, to this person, है ना? So any queries regarding a bank? Any queries? You have any doubt? Any queries regarding a bank?
No, teacher.
No. Now the last question, okay?
Yes, teacher.
Please tell me a names of bank. Names of bank.
Paytm Bank.
Which bank?
Money.
Paytm Bank.
Indian Bank. Okay, then yes, Siddharth.
Yes, money.
Yes, Siddharth.
Maharashtra.
Bank of Maharashtra. Yes, Bank of Maharashtra.
Baroda Indian Bank.
Indian Bank. Yes,
Axis
Bank.
Bank.
ICICI Bank.
Axis Bank. Axis Bank.
Axis Bank. Okay, Axis Bank. Yes, and
ICICI Bank.
I'm unable to hear you. Say loudly.
Bank.
IDBI.
IDBI. Yes, IDBI Bank.
National Bank.
And
Andhra Bank. Bharat State Bank.
State
Andhra
Bank.
Bank.
State Bank of India. Bank of
Andhra
India.
Bank.
Okay. So now I'm sharing the name of the bank with you. Huh? Okay. State Bank of India, Bank of India, ICICI, HDFC, IDBI, Axis Bank, Union Bank, Indian Bank. These are the banks. Okay. Are there in our country. These are few banks are there in our country. Name of few banks I I tell you. Okay. Again, we'll repeat everything. There are many sections are there inside the bank. Okay. The bank is providing a many facility like ATM card, debit card, checkbook, internet banking, mobile banking. Okay. There are many types of FDs are there in the bank. A bank is providing us a loan, a funding facility to the needed people. Okay, there are many types of loan bank providing us: home loan, vehicle loan, personal loan, gold loan, like this. Okay, many people come to the bank for a many purpose. Some people are come for a loan, some people are come for making FDs, some people are come for a saving money, means they are want to deposit a money from the bank. है ना? Some people are come for withdrawal the money. Okay. So all these transaction, a withdrawal transaction, then deposit transaction, the history of transaction you will see in the passbook. Okay. Secondly, with the help of checkbook, a facility that bank is providing us, a checkbook. With the help of checkbook, you have to transfer a money from your account to the another person's account. With the help of withdrawal slip, you can withdraw the money. With the help of deposit slip, you have to deposit a money. Okay. Then with the help of ATM card, you have to withdraw the money. There is no need to going to the bank. With the help of ATM card, you have to purchase a goods. With the help of ATM card, you have to purchase a good online. Online, in the way of online, you have to purchase a good with the help of debit card. Okay. Then the same function is in credit card also. You have to purchase online in the way of online goods and services. You have to transaction with the help of credit card. So all this facility is providing, a bank is providing us. Okay. Now we have to end our lecture again with a song. Are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
The same song, okay? Same song. So, shall I start?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Sing with me, huh?
Yes, teacher.
Sing with me. 1, 2, 3, start.
Four.
Good
One.
morning. Good morning.
Good
Hello.
morning. Good morning. And how are you? Morning. Good
Hello.
morning.
And how are you?
Hello, and how are you?
Good morning. I say
Good
good morning.
morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Hello, and how are you?
Hello, and how are you?
In the morning, I
Good
clap my
morning.
hands.
I have friends.
In the morning, I do my
Good
dance.
morning. Good morning.
I do my dance. In the
I do my
morning,
dance.
I say hooray.
I say hooray.
This is going to be a wonderful day. Good morning. Good morning.
Good
Hello, and how
morning.
are
Good
you?
morning. And how are you?
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.